Top 5 free AI tools every student should try in 2025. Are you a student looking for free AI tools to save time and boost productivity in 2025? Here are 5 amazing tools that can help you study smarter, not harder. Introduction to AI tools. In 2025, AI technology is rapidly transforming student life. It enhances productivity, creativity, and learning. AI tools are accessible and free, providing students with innovative solutions. This presentation covers the top 5 AI tools that can make a difference. Empowering students for success. Under that, enhance productivity in schoolwork with AI. Discover creativity through innovative AI applications. Simplify research and study organization tasks. Improve writing skills using AI assistance. Explore versatile tools for every student need. Key criteria for selecting AI tools. Free access. Students benefit from tools that are freely available, ensuring accessibility without financial barriers, allowing everyone to utilize essential resources. Ease of use. Tools should be user-friendly, enabling students to quickly learn and navigate them without frustration, enhancing productivity and learning efficiency. Relevance. Selecting tools that cater specifically to student needs ensures they address challenges like writing, research, and organization, boosting academic success. Tool 1. Canva. Canva. It's not just for designers. Students can create posters, slides, resumes, and even use Canva's Magic Write AI to generate text or ideas instantly. Fountain pen design anything. Graduation cap perfect for students. Bar graph posters, slides, resumes high voltage Magic Write AI for instant ideas. Tool 2. ChatGPT. An AI-powered writing assistant for students. ChatGPT helps students generate ideas, draft essays, and refine writing. Its intuitive interface and natural language processing make it an essential tool for enhancing creativity. Sparkles explains complex topics. Memo helps with essays and summaries. Question mark ask anything instantly. Tool 3. Notion. Notion is a versatile productivity tool that combines notes, tasks, databases, and calendars, helping students organize their schoolwork efficiently and collaboratively. Notion AI. It organizes your study notes and generates summaries. You can also ask it to make to-do lists or study plans. Keycap 4 Notion AI. Smart Notes Organizer Brain summarize your notes. Calendar create study plans. Tool 4. QuillBot. QuillBot. Perfect for improving your writing. It checks grammar, paraphrases sentences, and helps make your writing sound more natural. Fountain pen QuillBot. Write smarter. Checkmark grammar checker. Anti-clockwise arrows paraphrase text. Speech balloon makes writing sound natural. Tool 5. Gamma app. Gamma app. An AI tool that creates beautiful presentations in seconds. Just type your topic and it designs the slides for you. Fountain pen AI presentation maker high voltage type your topic. Paint palette AI creates slides instantly. Bar graph perfect for class projects. Getting started with AI tools. Sign up for each tool using a school email for security. Start with tutorials to understand features. Balance AI support with personal effort. Always verify AI-generated information. Protect your privacy and data. Best practices for AI use. Sign up and explore features. Use AI as a support tool. Verify AI output for accuracy. Maintain personal learning. Avoid over-reliance. Respect privacy and avoid plagiarism. Experiment with different tools. Unlock your potential with AI. Enhanced productivity through automation. Improved learning with personalized resources. Increased creativity via AI-driven tools. Accessible support for diverse tasks. Encouragement to explore and innovate.